What is up, everybody? Gonna get to the actual video in a sec. Just wanted to tell you guys something. I've been sick for the past like 4 days, 5 days, some amount of days, and I haven't been making any progress on HTBAoDC. I think I actually said it right for the first time, like ever. But I haven't actually like done any recording since the day I put that vlog up. So it's gonna be like another week before I actually get any more recording done. So HTBAoDC might actually be postponed a little bit, even a little bit longer. But I'm confident that I'll be able to get it out maybe by the end of November or mid-December. But before 2016 is my goal, basically. Yeah, so here is the actual video that this is about. Not this, not that. Something else. Let's go. About to make another one of my last collections of the summer, so I decided I might as well just show you guys what I've been doing outside. This is the only bin that I was able to keep up this summer. I tried the larger one, but it seems there wasn't enough soil to air ratio to keep the moisture high enough, so that kind of dried out and I couldn't keep that up. But this one never gave up. You can kind of see it's about 2 inches of dirt and then 2 inches of cesium fluorite. They're starting to yellow because I'm sure by now the dirt and stuff is starting to wear out a bit, and also it's starting to get a bit cooler. So this is probably going to be one of my last harvest of the summer, but just to let you know how insane this is my like 3rd or 4th harvest, and each time it's about this size. The one before this was taller but not as dense, and this bucket is about a foot tall, or about a foot and a half, so each one of these stems is huge. I actually forgot to bring a pair of scissors, so I just have to use my fingers. But yeah, I'm gonna go and pick out a bunch of these stems. I'll leave it out until temperature starts dropping to like 60 at night, and then I'll bring them back in. I actually have run out of space for these plants, so I'm not totally sure where I'm gonna put them, but I'll figure it out. See ya. Well enough. What is up, everybody?